Shri Bhagwati presents Semi-Automatic Capping Machine. A semi-automatic capping machine is a piece of equipment used in packaging and bottling processes that is designed to securely seal containers, such as bottles or jars, with caps. Unlike fully automatic capping machines that operate without human intervention, semi-automatic capping machines require some level of manual involvement. The primary function of a semi-automatic capping machine is to apply caps to containers effectively and securely. In summary, a semi-automatic capping machine serves as a valuable tool for businesses needing efficient and accurate container sealing while maintaining operator control and flexibility. These machines strike a balance between automation and manual operation, making them suitable for smaller production runs and a range of cap types. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.